Testing, testing. You guys hear me? Welcome, everybody. Glad you guys are here. Welcome to our Mexico retreat. Very stoked to have you. This is my favorite theme by far. We're gonna go over itinerary. Get in here. What are you doing? Always late. Come on, Peggy. We're gonna go over itinerary, classes, homework, all of that kind of stuff. Is this anybody's first retreat? There we go. Wonderful. Great. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for being here, all the first timers as well, okay? Let's see where everybody's from. Anybody from California? Wow, lots of California people. How about Washington State? I know we have at least a couple. Oh, quite a few. Cool. Anybody from Pascagoula, Mississippi? Okay, let's go over the itinerary, okay? 10:30 to 12:30, we have the June Taylor project bag class. That's one of the all-included classes, so everybody's gonna be in that class that would like to be. From 1:30 to 4:30, we have the Riley Michelle quilt class. That's done by our friend Jen from Snapdragon Quilt. She's coming in to teach that class. That's Tuesday. Wednesday, 10:30 to 12:30, we have the cactus pincushion. Carter's teaching that, okay? There it is right there. That's what it looks like. Almost as cute as Carter. Ah. So the a la carte class is the Scrappy Star Foundation paper piecing. Lynette's coming down from our store in Utah to teach that class. She's super excited about it. She loves paper piecing, very passionate about it, so she's gonna be teaching that class. Then we have our scavenger hunt. How many of you have gotten something at one of the last scavenger hunts? All right. Boo, somebody says boo. It's a lot of fun, it's kind of a tradition. You guys will get the gist of it. Next, Thursday, the class that we have is the Plant Life block, which is this. You'll be making one of the blocks out of this quilt here on the wall. Then the next a la carte class is Dynamite the Donkey. We grab Dynamite there. Deb's donkey here. Debbie's teaching this class with Dynamite. It's all laser cut and ready for you to just sit down and start sewing, okay? Any questions on itinerary? Okay, great. Now let's go over all of the other random stuff that isn't in the itinerary, okay? We have a snack table out here. It's gonna be out here all the time, okay? If anybody starts getting cranky, send them out, have them grab a Snickers, okay? Everyone be kind, be courteous to people around you. We have a lot of walks of life here. Next, I only have 2 or 3 more things. We'll get back to sewing. There's a handful of people, there's quite a few people that don't know who we are. This is Tiancum. This is Carter. You met Debbie. Okay. I'm Brody, and Zach is picking some up from the airport, so he's around, okay? Okay, I think that's it. Have an enjoyable time. Thank you for being here. The first shuttles will start headed out that way. I know you're on it, Karen. And thank you, everybody. Have a great time, okay?